Today, we're looking at how you can extend your shop window digitally. So this is Travel House. So they support a number of independent travel companies and agencies. And of course, what do they do with their Facebook? They show some absolutely stunning locations, and they usually put all the detail in as to, like this one with, the Greek August offer, family favorite. And they go into lots of detail about, what kind of holiday you can book. But actually, it was this post that really caught my attention, because this was about extending their shop window. So I guess, like naturally, if you sell a product or sell a thing, then normally, people would walk past your shop window. When it's a service, or indeed that, you might have multiple locations and things like that, it's important, on social media, that you show off, your office, you show off, that what goes on, you show off, that what kind of thing people would experience when they come in and they cross the threshold. Because guess what? Not everybody goes past your office, not everyone goes past your shop. So it's important to maybe show some of that on social media. So here, I guess it really welcomes new clients in. You get a real window into their business and how it's going. And as you can see, our maintenance team has been really busy this morning, giving our Aberdare branch a freshen up. We think it looks great. Let us know your thoughts, or better still, why not pop in to see the team? So it's inviting. It shows, that they've done, they've made a bit of an effort. I think a way of elevating that even more would have been to do maybe a before and after, or they could have maybe done a time lapse of it being done, or it might be actually to show some of the team there. I also would have probably tagged in to say that, that it was in Aberdare, so that, that you're coming up naturally to the, to the people within Aberdare, so that, that it's more geographically linked. But otherwise, I think it's just such a good post, because it really shows you, I guess, a window into their business, which is what social media is all about. Now, if I was Travel House, I might want to engage more with the places that, that my business is in. So what I would do is I would go to engagement and engage on the Maybe platform. And then, so say it was Aberdare, for example, one of the things that you would want to do is ensure that you were coming up within the conversation with other businesses in Aberdare. So I would choose location, and then I would click in here. I would click in here and do Aberdare. There you go. Aberdare, UK. And then what will come up on the right-hand side here is all of the businesses that are getting engagement on social media that have a presence in Aberdare. So I would change it to local, and then I would be going in here and, I would be liking, I would be commenting, I would be engaging, because guess what? If they're interested in, say, Whitstable Castle, then they might also want to buy a holiday from you. So that's the kind of idea behind it, is that you suddenly start coming up in their feeds, you start coming up in terms of engagement, and you never know, the businesses might start referring businesses or clients into you as well. So it just supports your business. Now, as always, if you've got any questions, click on the little blue button. We love to help.